Welcome to the demo video on how to complete the enrollment process for a foreign individual DSC on the eMudhra portal. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of completing your foreign individual eKYC process. You will now be redirected to the digital signature certificate page. You can view three options: Quick Individual DSC, Quick Organization DSC, and Enroll and Apply. Here, we are going to select the third option for demonstration purposes. Click on Enroll and Apply DSC. A Select KYC pop-up will appear. Make sure that you have all the listed documents with you. Click on Continue. You will be directed to the certificate details page. Create a challenge code of your choice, which will be your certificate download password. Confirm the challenge code by re-entering the value in the provided input field. Click on Next to continue. Select your country code and enter your mobile number in the input field. Click on Proceed. Enter your PAN number or name. Note that entering the PAN number is optional. Enter your DOB and select your gender, address, PIN code, country, number, and email ID in the respective fields. Enable the skip button to complete the login and OTP validation for applicants in the later stages of the application process. Click on Next. You will be directed to the Upload Documents page. Here, you can choose to drag and drop your documents or browse your documents. We are opting to browse the documents. Click on Click to Upload. Select the JPG file that you want to upload in the applicant photo input field. Now, select the ID proof type that you want to upload. Here, we are selecting a passport for demonstration. Follow the previous step to upload the PDF file of the document. Select the address proof type. Here, we are selecting local government issued proof with address. Follow the same steps to successfully upload the documents. Click on Submit to proceed. Once you have successfully uploaded the documents, a pop with DSC application is initiated successfully message along with your application ID will appear. Click on Continue to DSC applicant esign to proceed. You will now have to complete login and OTP validation. Enter desired username and PIN in the input fields. Re-enter the same in the input field to confirm the PIN. Click on Get OTP. You will now receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP in the input field. Click on Next. You will now be directed to Authenticate and eSign. Enter the same PIN which you created in the prior step. Click on Get OTP. You will now receive an OTP in your registered mail ID. Enter the OTP in the input field. Click on the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Submit. A pop-up stating your eSign done successfully will appear. Click on Continue to video recording to proceed. Allow access to the camera and microphone. You can select the language based on your preference. Here, we are selecting English for demonstration purposes. Click on Record Video. You will now be directed to the video verification window. This verification needs to be completed in 30 seconds. Click on Start Recording to start the verification and read the instructions mentioned on the page. I am Sujata, applied for DSC with eMudhra. 852 is the code for the video. Now, show your ID proof and address proof in the video. Once the process is completed, a pop-up with Stop Recording will appear. Click to proceed. Click on the Preview option to review the recorded video. In case the video has not been correctly recorded, you can re-record by clicking the Record Again option. Click on Submit if the video is correctly recorded. A pop-up stating video recording is submitted successfully with the Track Application Status option will appear on your screen. Click on the same to track your DSC application status. Once all the steps are completed successfully, your application will be approved within 30 to 40 minutes. Once your DSC is approved, you can download the certificate online.